had some good things happen this year. There's been some very positive news. The ag study that came out in January, which was a partnership between the Northern Nevada Economic Development Authority and the Governor's Office of Economic Development, had very positive news. The industry and its economic impact seemed to be double that of what we thought it was, $5.3 billion. Looking at 60,000 employees connected to agriculture in Nevada. And I think that started off a real positive kickoff to the session and a sense of energy that Doug was talking about that's kind of carried through the session. I would also concur on the energy that we're getting from the urban areas of the state, in Washoe and Clark counties. Tremendous, and a tremendous amount of energy from Clark County legislators, which is vital. It's key for the industry to move forward, I believe. So all of that has been tremendous for us. And so for the agency, what we try to do, and we recognize very quickly that we're here to serve the industry itself. And so we're very open and transparent and try to work with the industry to let us know where things need to head and make sure that we have the resources necessary to serve them as best as we can. And in doing that, I'll talk a little bit about the mergers and the things that we've done in the agency over this session. We've created a new food and nutrition division, and we're bringing in the child nutrition program from the Department of Education, the commodity foods programs from the Department of Administration, and then the Dairy Commission from Business and Industry. And we're pulling those programs together to kind of address the buzz and the energy that we have around the ag industry and the food issues that we have around the industry. And so in dealing with those programs, we see that developing more over the next biennium and working more with the Department of Health and basically being able to reach out and serve the ag industry through processing. We have a young man back a couple of rows here that just flew in from China, and that's one of the good news things that we have. We created an ag marketing coordinator position this last fall, and we took over the Western United States Ag Trade Association program from the Governor's Office of Economic Development, brought that into the Department of Agriculture, and Jeff Sudich is our staff member, and he just came back in from China where he was doing an international trade show to market agricultural products. Additionally, with that, we've partnered with Nevada Grown, private nonprofit branding organization here in Nevada. We think the private nonprofit part is important, and we want to keep it that way. But we feel like that we can create some more stability by providing the staffing to support the activities of that program. This past April, I went on a trade mission to South Korea, and we're in a press conference, and one of the questions that we received was, why does Nevada beef not market their product internationally? Is it inferior? Well, that kind of drew a crystallizing picture for me. Why would they think it's inferior? Why would they not know that they're eating Nevada beef? Nobody's telling them. Our product is shipped out of state, it's processed out of state, and so if JJ sends his beef to Colorado, it comes out the other side as Colorado beef, and we don't see recognition for the product that we're producing. And then that cascades all the way through our economy and to the relevance of public ground and the public ground that's benefiting from that production. So our charge, and in the conversations that I've had with industry, and the positive thing that I see moving forward, because public grounds can be a negative thing sometimes, the positive that I see that we can do in that is through the marketing and coordination that we can do at the agency to serve the industry, marketing and promotion. So with that, we've created a team in our administrative division that will start July 1 that will include our ag marketing coordinator, a public information officer, a research specialist, and an ag literacy position. The benefit of bringing in some of those other federal social programs to offset some of the funding that we need to do a better job for the industry as a whole. It's our hope that through those programs, we'll do a better job of marketing your product, agriculture, in the state of Nevada, and leading forward on some of the comments that Doug was sharing with you, to change the scope and impression of the industry. We have a tremendous industry in Nevada, but nobody knows it. Or at least wise the folks in the urban area that are making decisions don't know it. I think we've changed some of that this session, but we've got a long, long ways to go. I guess that's the rough road message. But we got to start somewhere, and I think that that's what the agency's focused on. So we look forward to working with you in the next couple of years and over the next biennium to continue to fine-tune that message and meet your needs and serve you even better day after day.